Hey everyone, it's Emily with CabinetNow.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble a base cabinet box. I'll go over how to order your cabinets online and walk you through the entire assembly process so that you can assemble your own kitchen cabinets at home. So let's get started. To order my single drawer base cabinet online at CabinetNow.com, I first selected the cabinet boxes category. From here, I selected base cabinets, and then I selected drawer base cabinets. Next, I selected the one drawer base cabinet category, and finally the single drawer base in maple. This cabinet is 25 inches wide by 34.5 inches high with a depth of 24 inches. And for this cabinet, I also included one shelf. And I just added to my cart and proceeded to check out. Overall, the single drawer base cabinet box build was super easy for me to complete by myself. Especially with only the use of a tape measure and wood glue, I completed this project from start to finish within 30 minutes. Thanks for watching, and if you're looking for custom cabinetry, be sure to check us out at CabinetNow.com. If you have any questions regarding assembly, email us or give us a call. We're always happy to help. If you need more information, please feel free to contact us.